Alright, Shalom. First, I would like to give our praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashim Yahusha, Ba'ashim Bukar Kadash Barakatah, and double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and peace, love, and salutation to the let Akim out there pushing the word of truth and sincerity. In this video, gonna be hopefully an exhortation, for brothers who's struggling in the truth, man, who probably fell, back to temptation, man, because we all do, because what it say in the scriptures, the righteous man falling 7 times, get back up, and I'm gonna get that, but we all err on this path of life, the straight gate, Sometimes and a lot of brothers feel down, because we in this flesh, and we always displeasing the Most High, but we got the scriptures and the word that tell us how to get them above us, But I'm gonna start off with this scripture, Wisdom of Solomon, chapter 1-12. Seek not death in the area of your life, and put not upon yourselves destruction with the work of your hands. Yeah, seek not death in the area of your life, because the Most High is ever merciful. He have mercy on you. If you pray and fast to him, They say, pull not upon yourselves destruction with the work of your hands. That means what you were doing, man. Like what you was doing, man. Don't keep doing the same things, man. Don't bring destruction upon yourself, man. Pray to the Most High so you can take them off you, so you won't get destroyed, man. It could be a test, and I've been going through a lot lately, man. Salaki, I can't remember the prophet name, but the one prophet said he endured things for the elect's sake, for the elect's sake, man. So you can tell, so you can learn and learn from what he went through, because things that were written before time were for our learning, man. You gotta pray to Yahweh, watching your shot, man. You know what I mean? Don't seek death in the area of your life, man. Get back up. I'm gonna go to Proverbs 24:16-18. Bear with me. My computer going slow than the motherfucker. Proverbs 24:16-18. For a just man falleth 7 times. 7 times meaning completion, and rise up again, because brothers fall in this truth. The elect not perfect, man. That's why the Most High say he's not gonna leave us altogether unpunished, man. We're gonna be corrected and measured, So you fall at 7 times, and it said rise up again, man. Again, you get back up again because you pray to the Most High, man. The Most High pick you up again, put you through that experience, man. But it said, but the wicked shall fall into mischief. That's all I'm gonna get on that, man. Just get back up. Don't seek death in the area of your life, because remember this scripture. This is Psalms chapter 147, verse 1. Praise ye the Lord, for it is good thing, for it is a good to Salakia. Praise ye the Lord, for it is good to sing praises unto our God, for it is pleasant and praise is comely. Yahweh Ba'ashim Yahusha do build up Jerusalem. He gathered together the outcasts of Israel. He healeth the broken in heart, and bindeth up their wounds. He telleth the number of the stars. He calleth them all by their names. Great is our Lord, and of great power. His understanding is infinite. So the Lord, he said he healeth the brokenhearted, so he'll heal you, and he'll bind you up. So if you're going through tribulation, the Lord will bring you down and he'll bind you up. He healeth and he maketh the lying. Roughly paraphrased, God killeth and he maketh him alive. He healeth and he won't. So don't just give up, man. Pray to the Lord, because we trying to get to the kingdom. So he telleth the number of the stars, he calleth them by all by their names. Great is our Lord, Yahweh Ba'ashim Yahusha, and of great power his understanding is infinite. The Lord lifteth up the meek, he casteth down the wicked to the ground. Sing unto the Lord with thanksgiving, sing praise unto the harp unto our God, who covereth the heaven with clouds, who prepareth rain for the earth, who maketh grass to grow upon the mountains. He giveth beasts his food, and to the young which cry, he delighteth not in the strength of the horse. He taketh not pleasure in the legs of men. The Lord taketh pleasure in them that fear him. The the Lord taking pleasure in them that fear him and hope in his mercy, man. So you gotta fear the Lord, man. You know, whatever you're going through, you know, the fear of the Lord gonna get you up out of that real quick, man. You know, because that's the beginning of wisdom. The Lord planted that seed in you, man. You know, so don't even seek death, man. Praise to the Lord. Pray to the Lord. So like it. You know what I'm saying? You know, pray to the Lord, man. So like it, but bear with me. So like it, I'm trying to figure what scripture I'm looking for. Alright. This is Hebrews chapter 12, verse. So like it. My computer going slow. This is Hebrews chapter 12, verse 6. It said, Hebrews chapter 12, verse 6, for whom the Lord loveth, he chasteneth and scourgeth every son whom he receiveth. If ye endure chastening, I will deal with you as sons, for what son is he whom the Father, the Lord love you, he gonna chastise you, man. You know, because he wants you to, he don't want you to keep going and doing what the fuck you doing, so you could destroy yourself and he could destroy you. You know, send a death angel to put you to death, because that's what it lead to. You know, he chastens you and get you up out of that, man. Get your mind right, put you through something. You know. It said, if ye endure chastening, I will deal with you as sons. For what son is he whom the Father chasteneth or not? Yeah, so what son? If you got a dad, man, and he don't chasten you, man, he don't love you. That's in the scriptures, man. That's in the scriptures, man. You know, so every father, if he love his son, he gonna chasten him. So the Father love us, and he dealing with us as sons, so he gonna chasten, put you through stuff, and it's for our betterment. You know, it said, but if ye be without chastisement, wherefore are all partakers, then are ye bastards and not sons. Furthermore, we have fathers of our flesh which corrected us, and we gave the reverence. Should we not much more be in subjection to the Father and spirits and live? Yeah, he said, but if you be without chastisement, wherefore are all partakers, and then you are bastards and not sons. So like I'm gonna start at this, you know, because if you're not getting chastised, you're not going through nothing, the Lord don't love you. If everything going great for you, the Lord don't love you, man. You know what I mean? So you a bastard, man. The Lord, you know, just said, fuck it. Let him go down this road of destruction. But see, we entered in the straight gate. And in the straight gate, we're going to go through shit. They said, furthermore, we have had fathers of our flesh, which corrected us, and we gave them reverence. So we not much rather be in subjection unto the Father of spirits and live. The Father of spirits is Yahweh Bashmi Yahushua, control all spirit. Yeah, and live, man, because this is the way to life, man. You know? Enter ye in at the straight gate, man. You know, that's the way to life, roughly paraphrasing. They said, for they verily for a few days chasten us after their own pleasure, but he for our own profit, that we might be partakers of his holiness, the kingdom of heaven, man. Now no chastening for the present seeming to be joyous, but grievous. Nevertheless, afterward it yielded the peaceable fruit of righteousness unto them which are exercised thereby, man. You know, because you get why he put you there, and you get strong when you come out, because he builds you back up. The Lord is a balanced power, man. You know, and ultimately, whether we about to get the kingdom of heaven, you know, this is, bear with me. I'm reading this off my phone. This is Romans chapter 8, verse 18. For I reckon that the sufferings of this present time are not worthy to be compared with the glory which shall be revealed in us. You know, the sufferings of this time is not worthy to be compared to the glory that's going to be revealed in us, because the Lord said he is not unrighteous to forget your righteous works of love that you have showed in the ministry, roughly paraphrasing, huh? You know, so what's that reward? The kingdom. He gonna give us the kingdom, man. You know, that's the kingdom, man. So brothers, man, I hope that was exhorting, man. It was just a short video, you know, to keep going. Brother, don't just give up on the path of life, man, because these demons going hard at us, man. You know, Satan has come down on you having great wrath, because he know he got a short time left. That's the spiritual and that's the physical. You know. But with that, I'd like to give our praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushua, Ba'ashem Makar Kadash Barakadah. Double honors to the apostles and elders, Grand Millstone, and peace. Listen to the let Akim out there pushing the word of super sincerity. Shalom.